Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to present a review of a journal entitled Analisis Penerapan Pendekatan Deep Learning terhadap Efektivitas Pembelajaran Bahasa Inggris Siswa Sekolah Dasar. First, I will start with the introduction. This study discusses an important issue in education, especially in English language teaching at elementary school level. The research emphasizes the need to improve teaching and learning practice to meet current educational language and student needs. Through the study, the author aimed to contribute both theoretically and practically to field of education. Next, I will explain the gap in exciting exercise research. Previous studies have already discussed deep learning approach in education. However, most of them focus mainly on general theory or are limited specific contexts. There is still a lack of research that deeply explore how this approach implemented in real classroom and how it directly affects of students. Therefore, this research tries to fill the gap by connecting theory with actual classroom practice. Moving on the research objective. The main objective of the study is to understand the effectiveness of the deep learning approach in teaching and learning process. Especially, the research aims to identify problems in English teaching, analyze the effectiveness of approach in improving student learning outcome, examine in the classroom implementation, and provide insight and recommendation for student, for teacher, and educator. Now, I will talk about the basic assumption of the research. This study is based on assumption than effective teaching strategy. Teaching strategy can significantly improve student engagement and achievement. It's also assumes that students respond positively when teaching methods are aligned with their learning needs and classroom context. The assumption become the foundation of the research design and analysis. Next is the novelty of the research. The novelty of the study lies in the strong focus on practical application. Unlike many previous studies that embrace theory, this research provides contextual and appreciable insight that can be directly implemented by teachers. This makes the study more relevant for real educational setting. Finally, I will conclude the presentation. In conclusion, this research successfully addresses the research gap and achieves its objective. The finding contributes valuable insight into English teaching and provide practical implication for teacher. Overall, this study strengthens exciting literature and can serve as useful reference for future research. Okay, this is from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.